Hey, what's up guys, it's the Foreigner and today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Magic Trackpad 2. Even though on the box it says Magic Trackpad, it's actually the second version, as you can see here on the sticker. Magic Trackpad 2 is something that we're gonna use instead of the mouse, which is this, the Magic Air Mouse 2 as well. But once you get used to using the trackpad on the MacBook Pro, you no longer want to touch the mouse because it's just odd. So let's start opening this. Apple style packaging, minimalistic. Comes with charging cable and instruction manual, which we don't need because it's trackpad. You can see Apple logo of the back, some conformity thing and anti-slip. Press on it, nothing happens because it's off, but as soon as you turn it on, hopefully it has some battery in it. The force pad should work. Yeah, I can actually feel it. So on-off button here, charging port in here. Here, charging cable is the standard USB-A to Lightning, so we can use any iPhone cable. Anything from Mac, iMac, MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, whatever. I'll just go System Preferences, then just go down to Trackpad. I was gonna search for it, found it, press on Continue. Now connecting. This is connected right here, and now you can adjust the you can adjust the settings. Scroll zone and everything. Mostly is gonna copy all the settings that you previously had set for mouse. But yeah, well done. We've just installed it. Battery was alright, it was just a matter of, I don't know, it was a bit too cold or so. But yeah, you can now enjoy it and throw the mouse away. Happy days!